Hello everyone, how's it going? This is a quick coin switch versus COINDCX review video, and we're going to go over their features, differences and overviews. So first of all, for coin switch you get personalized services 24/7, enhanced security, advanced trading tools, it's cost efficient and exclusive offerings. For DNX, it's trusted, user friendly, advanced security, wide range of cryptocurrencies. So let's say you need more varieties of cryptocurrency, then CoinDX should be the option for you, and then unique user base. Now, for if you are looking for CoinSwitch, then they have much better liquidity, rupee powered trading, makes it better for HNIs if you're trading with it, and institutional investors. And for CoinDCX, it is trusted by over 14 million users, which shows that it is very reliable and that it offers a more inclusive experience, whereas CoinSwitch only has focus on HNIs. Now, the reviews, of course, for both of them, there will be bad and good reviews, but again, as I said, that if you're looking for overall things, then CoinDX might be a better option. But let's say you're more focused on HNIs, then CoinSwitch is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.